Hello my darlings, what's up and welcome back to another video. In today's recipe we're going to be making the most fluffy and delicious banana pancake. As always, the measurement to all the ingredients will be listed in the description box. Do not forget to check it out, okay? And to make the recipe, in a blender add your eggs, some banana, milk, yogurt to add some nice texture to it, olive oil or some melted butter, then vanilla extract, add a little bit of baking powder, cover the blender and blend to mix all the liquid ingredients together. Once that is done blending, you want to add your pancake mixture, or you can even use plain flour, that will still work. Allow that to settle and rest for about 2 minutes, and then in a pan drizzle some oil, allow it to warm up, and then scoop in your pancake batter into the pan and cook. Okay, now once the one side is done, you want to flip to the other side to cook the both side. After flipping the pancake, you do not want to press it down, okay, because pressing it down will not make it to be fluffy. Now once the two sides is fully cooked, just transfer in a bowl and add in any of your favorite toppings. I decided to serve mine with a little bit of whipped cream, more bananas because I love bananas, and some syrup, and that's it. Do not forget to enjoy with the people that you love, and thank you guys so much for watching. Hope to see you in my next video. Bye.